Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, and we'll be talking about the technical trend, the levels, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart for Bitcoin, and we were talking about this thing yesterday, that price is basically very near to the resistance, and yes, it closed at around 22,400. So our resistance is at 22,600. So yes, the price it was, it reached to the resistance level, and now today, as of now, there is not much trading activity which is going on. So what we can expect from now, that because this is the resistance, so we might able to see a further fall, and we can see a fall up to 20,000 level. So this is how you can take these two levels for the Bitcoin. The resistance is at 22,600 and support that is at 20,000. Now we will because if you look at the upside momentum, so that is not looking very prominent, because you need to have good indications towards the upside, right? So looks like the price is not able to break this time, this resistance. So the other probability is that if the price is not going to break, the price will fall from here. So that is something that looks more you can say prominent here. So you will definitely see that the price may fall, may correct a little bit, and then we will see what can happen in the next for the next few days, right? So this is something you can look at here. And if in case the price shows up some momentum towards upside, maybe by the end of the day, by the evening's time, because this is not the right time to get more volumes, to get more action. So if that happens, then we will be looking forward to the closing. So if the closing happens to be more than, higher than 22,600, I'll be more than happy, because at least we will get some direction for this Bitcoin, because with that movement, you will see that the price will trade higher than the resistance, as well as with the 100 EMA as well. So that is something we can I think that will be good for the, at least for the short period of time, for the Bitcoin. So let's see what can happen, but the probability of getting correction from at this level is more as of now. Now let's come to the Ethereum, and let's see what that chart is showing. Give me a second. So this chart is, yes, so we were talking about this thing yesterday as well, that the price already, it has reached to the resistance of 1725. So this is the resistance of 1725, and price has already reached there, and you can see the price has started coming down. And yes, yesterday there were good volumes, there was a good candle as well. So is just hovering around at the resistance, and we might able to see that the price will come down to 1510. So that is basically your support level, and this is what exactly happens. So till the time price is just holding up this 100 EMA, this is the blue colored line, so this is 100 EMA, and till the time the price is holding up this level, you will see the price may give you little bit upside momentum with small corrections. So yes, this is what we can expect for the Ethereum. So I think you can see that where the prices can go, what could be the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So if you are liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, click on the notification bell icon, and this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.